why my question is now, why you were not able to write more than 20, 25 or something like 30, 40? Because, why you were not able to write so many things? Why you are stuck till 15 only? Most of the students were stuck till 15 only. Okay, your time was less. Okay, so let me write down what was your issue. So first reason is time constraint. Okay, time constraint. Okay, writing speed, thinking, very good, Sarthak. Okay, so only three reasons. So let me tell you, uh, it was not the time constraint which made you to write less number of things. It was not your writing speed also. It was not your, yes, in partially, let me write here, partially it was your thinking ability. Okay, there are other reasons also. Yes, observation, very good, Sanket. One of the reason is observations. Yes, one thing can be, are there any less number of objects available in the world? Are there any less objects which look like square or rectangular available in less amount in world? No, it is not possible. There are millions of objects and you were only able to write less than 15. Okay, so this is also not the answer. Probably two things are more related why you were able to write less number of things is because of your, let me tell in another words, there are certain things which you have missed, let me write here, missed to learn in your school days. We generally call it as skills. We generally call it as skills. आपने ये skills miss किया लर्ने के लिए. कुछ skills होते हैं, right? To think in multiple ways, right? एक skill होता है. So आपने क्या किया पूरे बचपन में, आपने स्कॉलरशिप की एग्जाम दी थी 4th स्टैंडर्ड में, फिर 7th स्टैंडर्ड में, फिर 10th स्टैंडर्ड में आपने बोर्ड के लिए आपने हार्ड वर्क किया, फिर आपने क्लासेस लगाए, फिर 12th के लिए हार्ड वर्क किया. सो यू ओनली न्यू दैट आपको बस एग्जाम क्रैक करनी है. देयर इज नो अदर लाइफ अदर देन क्रैकिंग द एग्जाम्स. तो डिड दिस एग्जाम्स हैव एनी दिस काइंड ऑफ स्किल्स? ये जो स्किल्स जो है, क्या कौन सी स्किल्स है वो हम बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे. ये एग्जाम के स्किल के बारे में कुछ बात कर रहे थे आपके स्कूल वाले. हाँ, ये एग्जाम ये स्किल देंगे आपको, ये करेंगे, ये साइंस पढ़ेंगे तो ये स्किल मिलेगा आपको, या फिर आप हिस्ट्री पढ़ोगे तो ये स्किल मिलेगा आपको. सो there was no, literally I guess 99% most of the schools were not talking about the skills. They were only talking about study all the time. Yes, that's not wrong. That's not wrong. स्टडी भी ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि उससे तो जॉब मिलेगा आपको, सैलरी मिलेगी, मनी मिलेगा. बट व्हाट मेक्स यू more capable and more acceptable into the industry is your skill set, this one. सो आपके स्किल्स नहीं होने के बाद, या फिर सबके पास स्किल्स होते हैं, मैं 100% नहीं बोलता कि आपके पास स्किल ही नहीं है. यू हैव स्किल्स बट यू आर नॉट हैबिचुअल टू यूज इट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. लाइक वन ऑफ द स्किल इज थिंकिंग स्किल. यस, वेरी गुड. One of the student, roll number 106, have said they are, you guys generally students are thinking from exam point of view only. गलत नहीं है, यू शुड थिंक फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑल्सो, बट आपको ये भी सोचना है कि आपको सर्वाइव करने के लिए कौन सी स्किल जरूरी है, राइट. सो दिस कोर्स इंजीनियरिंग डिजाइन एंड and development is focused on developing such skills. Now, which kind of skills are we talking about? So there are total 12 skills which has been recognized over worldwide, which a student should have in his lifetime, which you should have learnt since school till you get retired or till you pass on from this world, right? So there are skills like एप्लीकेशन ऑफ नॉलेज. आपने कभी, मुझे पता नहीं आपने जो साइंस सिखा है कभी जिंदगी में अप्लाई किया है क्या, एक्सेप्ट द शरबत बनाने के अलावा आपने कुछ किया है तो आई डोंट नो. ओके, सो प्रॉब्लम एनालिसिस, प्रॉब्लम ढूंढने के बाद उसका एनालिसिस करना होता है. व्हाट इज द पेन पॉइंट और व्हाट इज द मेजर प्रॉब्लम इन दिस यू आर facing the issue. So that kind of analysis you have not got the skill. Design and development of solution, एक बार प्रॉब्लम मिलने के बाद आप सॉल्यूशन कैसे डेवलप करना होता है, that is the skill. One of the skill, conduct investigation of problem, complex problems. Use of modern tool and usage. Using mobile is not a modern tool. Okay, मोबाइल अभी कोई भी 4 साल का बच्चा भी अभी मोबाइल यूज करना सीख लेता है बिना बताए. So that is not the skill. We are talking about tools like, you know, there are 3D printers, there are laser cutting machines, there are drilling machines, there are many things that we still are not able to handle on ourselves because we were not able given to study those tools and use in our day-to-day life. There is another skill related to engineer and society. There is skill related to environment and sustainability, ethics, individual and teamwork. Teamwork is most important whether you are doing a job, whether you are doing a business, or whether you are learning in a school or college. या फिर इफ यू आर इन अनदर वर्ड्स, आपके अगर फैमिली के बारे में एग्जांपल लोगे, योर फादर इज योर हेड ऑफ योर फैमिली एंड he is the team leader of your family, right? Your family is kind of a team and everyone contributes to your family in some way or the other. That is a skill, teamwork. Okay, you are sincere to your family, you are honest with your family, you will do anything to help your family. That kind of teamwork skills is very important to survive and to be successful in this world. Communication, proper communication. English आना मतलब communication आ गया. It is not like that. You should able to understand what people are trying to say and how what we can do to sort out the issue or the problem they are facing. That is the kind of communication. You should have empathy, you should be compassionate and all those things. Project management and finance. Yes, we have mostly missed this last part, finance part. कभी बैंक में जाके विड्रॉ पैसे विड्रॉल करने से दूर, हमें बैंक में अकाउंट कैसे ओपन करना है वो भी नहीं पता. That is just an example, small example, but these are skills. And last one, very important, which will never end, whether you get retired after job or not. Lifelong learning means this is kind of skill which makes you capable of learning new things at any point of your life. ये स्किल उसके बारे में है जो आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं. कुछ भी आपको मॉडर्न टूल आ गया, मॉडर्न कंसेप्ट आ गया, तो आपको बिना हेल्प लिए आपको खुद को पढ़ना आना चाहिए. You have to learn in by some way. That is lifelong learning skill. And generally what we do is एक बार जॉब मिलने के बाद काम खत्म हो गया. No, it does not work like that. You have to still survive in the industry. You have to keep learning new things again and again. That is what we engineers are. हमारा काम यही है, सीखो, अडेप्ट करो, सॉल्यूशन को प्रॉब्लम ढूंढो. सो दिस कोर्स इंजीनियरिंग डिजाइन एंड डेवलपमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट इम्प्रूविंग योर स्किल्स. आपके पास स्किल्स है, ये थोड़े बहुत है, बट आपको ये अभी ये हैबिचुअल नहीं है, यूज करना है एज एन इंजीनियर. ओके, सो आई होप यू गॉट द पॉइंट दैट आपने ये स्किल्स कैसे मिस किए. क्योंकि आपने, जब मैंने आपको 60 सेकेंड्स के लिए एक सिंपल सा टास्क दिया, आप 15 से ज़्यादा जा ही नहीं रहे थे. आप ऑब्जर्वेशन आपकी जो ऑब्जर्वेशन जो होती है आसपास क्या चल रहा है, व्हाट हाउ पीपल आर फीलिंग, द थिंकिंग एबिलिटी, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग बोलते, कॉग्निटिव थिंकिंग, वो कहाँ कहीं पे तो कुछ कमी है. So to improve those things, this course is made available for you. It will help you a lot if you follow the tips and tricks of the, follow this course wholeheartedly. So what we are going to do in this semester for A&D is, it is a 2 hours per week. Today we are going to have only 1 hour since it is the introduction part. Okay, so today every week it will be of 2 hours per week. It will have one credit, very important. अगर आप इसमें आपने अगर टास्क कंप्लीट किए नहीं in this subject, you will not be granted any credit, and you will be considered as a fail in this subject. So पास होना फेल होना इसमें कंसिडर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि इसको एक क्रेडिट दिया गया है. So that is how this course is important. We have given value for this subject, right? So that you acquire some skills, learn something, and do something for yourself in your life, which you have were not able to do in your school life. Okay, and the marks are 25 marks. So how and what exactly are we going to do is, how we are going to acquire the skill is, let us discuss about that. So after completion of this course, what you will be able to do is, first thing, you will be able to apply science and mathematical principles to solve real life problems. Like you used to ask, ये डेरिवेटिव में लाइफ में कहाँ पे काम आता है, इंटीग्रेशन कहाँ पे काम आता है, और ये केमिस्ट्री कहाँ पे काम आता है, ये बेसिक सिविल कहाँ पे काम आता है. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस is generally solved in this course EDD, by solving a real life problem. We will talk more about this in later slides. Second thing you will be able to is use of modern tools. Yes, we have modern tools in our laboratory, in our institute, and technologies to find solution from the problem. Now, if you are able to identify problems, you should also be able to find out solution. And to create the solution into reality, you need tools and technologies. Right? आपको कुछ बनाना होता है, प्रोटोटाइप या कुछ तो बनाना होता है, right? Realistic कुछ तो बना. It may be a product also. So that outcome you will be able to achieve through this course. Third outcome you will achieve is develop an ability, very important ability, to function in multidisciplinary team and communicate effectively. Right, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, टीम वर्क एंड कम्युनिकेशन बहुत जरूरी होता है. Although since we are meeting online now, it is up to you how you smartly work together, although apart from each other, but you still work together on an online platform and make things happen. How you communicate, because companies now, industry is working like that only. सब कम्युनिकेशन ऑनलाइन हो रहा है, फिर भी प्रोजेक्ट्स बन रहे हैं. Like construction is still going on, IT industry is still making softwares, the mechanical industry is still in function. How they are doing such things, although there is a situation like pandemic like situation. So that is multidisciplinary team and communication that is helping them to carry out this task. And this outcome you will learn in this course, in this semester, after mid semester. And last outcome you will achieve is very important for your personality development is moral, ethical, legal and social issues and responsibility. आपको लोग क्यों पहचाने? There is one question you should always ask yourself. आपको लोग क्यों पहचाने? Why they should recognize you? Why they should give respect to you? Why they should know about you? आप में ऐसा क्या चीज है जो आपको वैल्यू मिले? Always ask this question to yourself, because there is one specific answer. You are someone. आप कुछ तो हो. Like you might be an successful engineer, you might be an social uh, person, you might be an entrepreneur, you might be something, right? आपको आप कैसे इंसान हो ये आपको रिकग्नाइज करने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा. And believe me, since from experience point of view of our faculties, आप जैसे बिहेव करते हो वैसे आपका नाम हो जाता है. आप बुरा बिहेव करोगे आपका बुरा नाम हो जाएगा, आप अच्छे बिहेव करते हो आपका अच्छा नाम होता जाएगा. So that is how the things work. So in this course, while you are working in teamwork and communicating each other, you should also keep in mind you have to be ethical, moral, not only with each other but with also with the uh, teachers, with also with the other branch students around the people around yourself. So these are the things, these four outcomes you will achieve in this semester. I hope you guys have understood what you are going to achieve. One is set of skills, and particularly we are focusing on application of knowledge, use of modern tools to perform in a multi teamwork skills. You have communication skill you are going to get, and you have this moral and ethical skills. So to help you through this course, let me tell you what we have did in last year. आपकी बैच सेकेंड बैच है ऑटोनॉमस की. सो पिछले साल हमने ये जो कोर्स किया था वो पीबीएल नाम से हमने फ्लोट किया था. So we have created two labs. One is a fabrication lab. We call it as a workshop lab, where you have tools like laser cutting machine. Yes, as you see here, the laser cutting machine is cutting and engraving our college name on a acrylic sheet. Okay, so I will tell you more about this later onwards. So we have laser cutting machine, we have 3D printer in our lab, we have flexo robotic hand, and yes, we have also drone, but it is with civil engineering department. This is professional kind of drone. And here you can see, as how students are engaged and they are working together on their problem solving skills, and they are working on a project, right? Project is a medium through which these skills are generally obtained. Okay, so these students are the way they are engaged in making things happen, converting ideas into reality. These are the things. These are another glimpse of what we did last year. These picture are from our fabrication lab. See, here is the laser cutting machine. Okay. Uh, and we have another lab where we generally discussions with each group of students, what kind of problem they are solving, what solution they have identified, are they facing any problem in converting a solution into realities, what tools they need, what they are learning, are they acquiring the skills or not. So these sessions are like this. See by your eyes only that these students are really engaged for 2 hours. We are talking about 2 hours. 2 घंटे के लिए लोग ये students पिछले साल engaged थे, and the kind of feedback we received was like they wanted more kind of such kind of things. ये technical कुछ भी नहीं है. It is all related to skills. And yes, the outcomes are very good. हम हमारे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स स्मार्ट हेलमेट एक प्रोजेक्ट था, यूनिवर्सिटी आविष्कार एक कंपटीशन होता है, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया था. उन्होंने बहुत सारे राउंड्स क्वालिफाई करके आगे गए थे. These are some projects. Smart parking system which students have made, means they have identified the problem and developed a real application app for parking system. देयर इज ऑटोमेटेड हैंड वॉश डिस्पेंसर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये कोविड होने से पहले स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑटोमेटेड हैंड वॉश डिस्पेंसर इन्वेंट किया था, राइट? समझ रहे हो? वहाँ पे बस आपने अगर ये भी रख दिया, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, हैंड सैनिटाइजर भी रख दिया, तो ही वुड हैव मेड बीन अ ह्यूज प्रॉफिट बाय नाउ. ओके, सो ये कोविड से पहले की बात है ये प्रोजेक्ट की. Then there is an automated surveillance system ड्रोन का डिजाइन कर रहे थे कुछ ग्रुप एनसीस पे. एनसीस इज समथिंग हायर काइंड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर यूज्ड इन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग फॉर थर्ड ईयर एंड फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स. And there is another project, Smart Bridge, and there is a 3D printed object. ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो बनाया गया है बीम है. सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में एक कंसेप्ट होता है, मैकेनिक्स में आपको 4th यूनिट में रहेगा. सिंपली सपोर्टेड बीम है ये, तो ये 3D प्रिंट बनाया गया है पूरा. एंड देयर इज वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन प्लांट, कैसे वो काम करता है, दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. देयर आर अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल, like this one, solar charger and something like kind of like that. लेजर कटिंग की मदद से यहाँ पे एक कैंटिलीवर बीम बनाया है. एंड this is something related to smart helmet which have participated in the university. So what we did after the course, we arranged an online exhibition in November last year online, and some students selected students, 25 top 25 projects were selected and presented their projects online, and out of them 5 projects were given prize. So what the schedule is about in this semester will be, you have to form a group till next session. What you are going to do now is, in this entire week you have to form a group of 4 to 5 students. एक ग्रुप में 4 से 5 स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे मैक्स टू मैक्स. आपको ये ग्रुप बनाने होंगे और ग्रुप हमारा जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आपको उस पर रिपोर्ट करना होगा. ठीक है. Then there after your group formation you will be identifying project ideas, or you are going to identify a problem, and you are going to find out what kind of solution can solve that problem you have identified. And finally your marks will be given, final marks will be given on presentation and oral. आपको हर सेशन में मार्क्स मिलने वाला है. every yes, the group can be random, but इसे आपके डिवीजन में से ही होना चाहिए. आपकी डी डिवीजन है तो डी डिवीजन में से ही स्टूडेंट्स होने चाहिए उस ग्रुप में, नॉट एनी अदर डिविजन्स. ओके. एवरी सेशन विल कैरी मार्क्स. आप अगर एब्सेंट हो गए तो आप उसके मार्क्स चले गए. ओके. दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी गेटिंग मार्क्स. Now how, on what basis we are going to assess you is your problem statement, how we are going to apply your science and mathematical and engineering knowledge, your novelty of your solution, any and teamwork, your demonstration and attendance. These are the key parameters based on which we will giving or judging you in every session. So any questions guys till now? Let me know in the chat box, or you can raise your hand. Any questions? आपको ग्रुप बनाना है नेक्स्ट सेक्शन तक, आपको ग्रुप बना के आना है 4 to 5 स्टूडेंट्स मैक्सिमम, और आपको ये ग्रुप में रिपोर्ट करना है. ठीक है. सो टीम फॉर्मेशन आपको एक्टिविटी है. तो लेट मी नो एनी डाउट्स. वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द इंट्रोडक्शन. यस, देयर इज एग्जाम. आपको हर सेक्शन में मार्क्स देने वाले हैं हम लोग. आपको जब हम वीकली एक्टिविटी देंगे, आपको पूरे वीक में आपको काम करना है, एंड नेक्स्ट वीक में आपको वो आपके जो मेंटर अलॉट होंगे हर ग्रुप को, उनको वो आपको दिखाना होगा. ठीक है. 4 to 5 स्टूडेंट्स मैक्सिमम. ओके. सो मार्क्स आपको हर सेशन के मिलेंगे. अगर आप अटेंडेंस मिस किए हो, प्रेजेंट नहीं हो गए, उसके मार्क्स 0 हो जाएंगे. Yes, the next sessions will be after mid semester examination. आई होप यू guys have got an idea. आपको आपके पास कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको आइडेंटिफाई करते हो by any chance, keep it with you and you can discuss it with your mentor in next session. Till then you can form group, you can contact each other, you have contact number of your friends, see your compatibility, your strength and weaknesses, and form a group. And together then under the guidance of your mentor you can try to solve problem and gain the necessary skills as we have discussed. Okay, so this is nothing like we are going to take lecture and we have to solve MCQs and kind of things or any written examination. So this is something different, like I am saying since the beginning. So anything else, guys? You want to ask? Want to know how much time you guess we have left with?
10 minutes. We'll do one thing.
Okay. Yes.
All students, please join again. I'm ending this meeting. All please join again. We'll give you some instruction how to make a group and project.
Yeah, more instructions will be given. Please rejoin with the same link. Okay.
Sir, you are the host. Please end the meeting.
Okay. Okay. Let me end the meeting. Okay.